Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am here with a new amazing video of acrylic painting. Hope you will like my video. And PLZ, make me sure if you like it by comment in comment section. So guys, wishing you good luck, keep creating. So let's start this video. I am coloring my medium black. It seems painting background is black, so guess what I am going to paint. I have taken a leaf. Here I have 3 different colors. Now I am applying paint on its one side, and I will patch it on my black medium. Now I am taking another leaf and coloring it with another color. Now coloring this leaf white. Wow, it's giving an amazing texture on the background medium. It's amazing! Thanks for watching me creating this video pose. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video.